Okay guys, part 2 to this door. I'm not even kidding you right now. I sent an email to the customer service for ProArmor and they're blaming this all on me. Okay, so the fitment issue. As you guys can see on here, like I said before, you can totally see that this was tight as hell and it pulled back on this. It is tight as hell right here and all the way down, you can't even see, and then it gets tight right here and it opens up on the back. You can see how the gap on this widens along here and then gets tight down here, right? And then it comes down around here and then it's tight along that base again, all the way to the back where it opens up again. Now, I've said it before, on that side there, you can see how tight it is on the driver's side, which I don't have an issue with. You can clearly see there's a huge gap right here. And that means that these hinges were turned inside to push this door out that way. Now, what they said to me was, you know, to jack the bike up, get it off the ground and take the weight off the frame and tighten everything up. And make sure that the back bolt right there, which I told you I had tight, and it actually felt like it was going to strip. So because this thing is so twisted, I'm not tightening that back bolt up because I know it's going to strip. I don't know if they watched the video because I haven't clicked on it to see if there's any views on it, but like I said too, you can see there where I tightened that up and it pulled it out when I tried popping it in. Now I'm going to do this real quick. I'm going to get dirty doing it. Well, here, I'll just try to do it like this. So you can see how, here, I'm going to open this door up because this is how it opens up. Stupid fucking door. Sorry for my language. But you can see here how it's tight here, right? And then you see how it V's out. Like, see how it gets wider? And then it tightens back up to the frame. So this right here is pushed out. And like I said, I had this tight, but you can see how it looks flat on the video, I know, but it's clearly 2 fingers here, and I can't even get a finger in here. Right here, it's 2 fingers, gets along there, and I can almost do 3 fingers into here. And then up here again, it gets really tight. Now I can sit here and watch. See, you see that moving, right? But I can sit here and push on this as much as I want, and it won't go in. So I guess I'm stuck with this. ProArmor took $839 off me. I paid $949 after taxes and stuff like this. And ProArmor took my money, and they're going to blame this on me, and they're not going to send me a new one that was properly done. Like I said, this driver's side door, which I've got my lock on, so I can't open this up. But if you look at the fitment on this, it's kind of the same thing, but it's not nearly as bad. And you can see here how it does kind of come out here a little bit, but it's not as bad. Like, yes, I can get my fingers, but it's not as bad as it is on the other side. And I can open this door up. It doesn't fall open on me. It closes fine. It opens fine. And I never had a problem whatsoever tightening up that bolt down there. You can see there, there's no pull issue on that one. That one tightened up nice. And then you can see here how well that bolted up, and it bolted up real nice. So it's funny how they tell me that apparently I put the passenger side on wrong, but they don't make mention whatsoever that I did the front one wrong. Front one I had no issue with whatsoever. You can clearly see how this thing is hanging. Yeah, I was out riding it today, so it was a little bit dirty. But if you look at this one right here, again, it's kind of flat, but I got to tell you right now, if I could give these guys a rating right now, 0. I don't think I'll ever purchase another ProArmor product at all. I won't. I've had ProArmor tires, which you guys, if you guys watch any of my other videos, I had the ProArmor Harvester tires on my 04 600 Twin, and I think they were probably good for summertime, but they were absolute garbage in winter. I ended up taking them off and selling them. That was $900 blown right there. I got $600 back for selling those. But thankfully, I don't really have a lot of passengers to this, so I guess I'll just have to deal with what I got. ProArmor's not going to honor any warranty or anything. Like even looking at, like, when I see this, you can see, like, I'm not changing my, you see how tight that is there, and then as you scroll down, I'm rubbing the side, like, you see how, and look how much more is out, right? When up at the top, you look at that, right? And I'm not changing the view. You see the view, right? As it comes down, there's more and more pipe exposed. Almost the entire width of the pipe is exposed there. See what I mean? And what they said was, and like, I haven't done this already, right? Get it out, and I've been, like, look how much I'm lifting that. See? Lift that right up. Doesn't do anything. Like, what do they want me to do? Bend this all the way out? So, like, lift it up and see if I can push this in. Nope, still won't go in. And still hits right there. Look at that. Oh, I think that's even worse than what it was. Yeah. Pride in manufacturing. ProArmor Industries. Whatever, guys. Thanks for watching.